What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. We have about a minute before the bell opens. Let's get it. TOS. It's not coming up. There's always something with this. Straight out the gate, market is bullish. Probably buy this level 52 if they get down here.
$600. So even though we got this run, this thing still got room to go push up.
Yeah, I think we're gonna see 7.026. We're about to breach 17,000.
I should have took that long right there, knowing that this was about to run.
Yeah, Microsoft got sick lunch off the open. There we go, Tesla. Yep, there we go. Keep going. Yep, keep going. Yep, keep failing. Keep failing. I'm scooping you up tomorrow, baby. Keep failing. Go lower. The lower, the better. Keep failing, brother. Shit, if you want to reach 200 flat on the day, I'll be happy. You get Amazon ripping, AMD ripping, NVIDIA, of course, man, that's the barometer.
Make any fucking sense.
Just like Evan's not trading today.
You probably just gonna pop in late.
Tesla just hit a price alert that I had. No, my cat just turned on my computer. Dude,
What?
out of here.
Good, you wasn't in a trade.
I mean, it's my secondary, so it's not my primary monitor, bro. Like, what the fuck? God, bro, my cat is annoying me, bro. No way she just did that shit.
Oh, why do it keep getting me out of trades?
She keeps running away because she knows I'm about to pick her up and throw her ass out.
Oh, man.
I was trying to move my stop up and it got me out of the freaking trade, man. Might not have been a bad thing, though. We still dropping, though. We down negative 770 right now.
Yeah, shorts are paying right now, bro.
What do you mean we dropping? Market's going up.
You see the market going down now.
You gotta get out.
It was dropping.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Sorry about that. Yeah, we got a 5-minute supply up there, 2-minute supply. Sorry about that. I'm going to take this tick chart bounce here.
Yeah, I'm thinking about going long right here. I just need to see confirmation to do it. That was a good exit too that I got out of. Perfect exit.
Oh,
Not turning off my computer. Like, what's the chances, bro? She would press the fucking off button.
I fucking took an NQ instead of an MNQ. Fuck you. I got out though. Oh, and it's going up 140. Oh, that was such a good entry. Fuck, man.
Well, I'm over here trading like RT.
Oh my god, click, 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 click.
You know it.
Watch out up here. You got to tick chart supply, 2-minute supply. Look like we're about to rip through everything. You know, today the bulls, see, they found value in that drop, bro. Homeboy called up his boy.
If we end up bull market, bro, every drop's gonna be valued.
Yeah, exactly. Called his boy. Hey, yo, you left me, cuz. Said, all right, we're gonna come back and get you. Just wait for the data. That was a nice clutch grab right there, man. Ooh, that's a 15-minute zone also.
Yeah, I grabbed some longs down there with you as well.
Dude, I don't know how I can't. How I fuck that up. Switch this shit to MMQ now. In fact, just for that error, we shutting you down.
Oh man, Amazon squeezing people out right now.
Look at this shit, bro. Wow. 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 The full fucking drop about to get recovered.
You catch any of it?
Yes. No, you don't listen to me or what? I just said I got into NQ and I was tight.
You still in?
Hell no. Bro, you fucking crazy. I'd have blown that account if that shit went against me.
I'm still in. I'm up 30 points on one NQ. I was in 3. I got out of 2 of them. This bad boy is killing. Okay, stopped out. Don't tell boy 5 minutes. I'm up 1,300.
Oh, shit.
Killer.
Yeah, man. I caught a mean entry on that shit too, man.
You up 1,300 in the PA?
Nah, I ain't took no trades in the PA.
But say, dude, that's really good.
Nah, I should have been trading MNQs at the same time, but I was not. Shot this real quick. So I think I might. I ain't gonna say that. It's still early as hell. We still ain't hit up to 0 yet, but we coming back down now.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go see what that Top Step account is sitting on right now out in my shop.
Amazon just broke out the yearly highs.
Sick ass demand line on him. I think swinging heavy.
Dude, you can call me a freaking scalper all you want. This shit is paying.
What's wrong with being a scalper?
Nothing wrong, bro. As long as the shit's paying, bro, that's all that matters. Don't matter what you do.
What's wrong with being
Look
a scalper?
at this first entry that I took. Remember when I said I came back inside the house and took that trade? It never looked back. Okay, there's the flush. That's good. That's good. We're at negative 500. Now I'll focus on 1 or 2 trades in the PA account.
Let me get Amazon on the
If I
big
can make a few
screen.
dollars.
I'm about to open up my cash, get some of this one. Yeah, fuck this.
So you about to take this to man?
No, I'm opening up the account, the cash account. Trying to see if I'm up 200, so I'll risk 100. I'm doing MNQs. I get the like shit this week. I'm up like almost 9,000.
Oh, that's amazing, bro. Good shit.
Some wild, damn, this is a nice price too. This shit flying. What the fuck? This motherfucker got weed.
Bouncing off of the 200 I made on the 2-minute right now.
You still in yours?
Yeah, I'm still in my longs, yeah.
Nice, bro.
Thank you, bro. Trying to see if we can get a retest of that previous swing high that I just established right now. I have an order set about 10 cents above where it maxed out at. I'll probably get out 2 of my contracts right there. I have to be.
Yeah, I'm up 8.6.
Yeah, there's a 2-minute supply coming in. That's the only thing that I'm seeing right here that could be a
Wait,
problem.
let me go check.
Come on, baby.
You said 2-minute supply,
I
right?
was right on
That was
day.
also an area where we fell from when with the data. So be careful.
Yeah, it's like a lower high right now so far.
Damn, unrealized 341 out here on the Top Step. Start locking in some of that profit. I'm up 80 freaking 6 points.
Congratulations on your first swing trade.
Start locking this in.
All right, let's get into this bounce. I'm gonna start scaling in here. Got a. So you want to reclaim this? All right, I'll stop out if we break 700, 17,000, or whatever the fuck that is.
Oh my god, that's a big rejection.
17,004. Give it a little bit of room. All right, we'll see what happens.
Get a retest.
Good bounce there.
Yeah, these bounces are getting brought down, bro. That shit don't look good.
Yeah, we're at
A lot of
supply.
top six.
Currently at supply on the 2-minute, 5-minute supply up here.
Yeah, that 5-minute supply is not getting quite straight, but it's there. It's literally trading right at supply.
So if I'm gonna play this super trend, my stop gotta be way down at 931. That's crazy, blood. Yo.
Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this price action right now. I might get stopped out, bro. This doesn't look good. I'm gonna keep my stop tight on this one too, because I really don't want no fucking volatility to the downside.
Either we trend or they fuck us up, bro. That's all it do. So we either take out this supply at the money zone. So make sure my stop need to be below 889. 89. So the money zone is what I'm looking for to save me if they do come down. In fact, I'll add if they do come down there. So let me put an order right here.
But yeah, down there again, bro. We're back at fucking the money zone. On the 2-minute at least, it's starting to kind of bleed through though.
Yeah,
Doesn't look too healthy.
I'm looking forward to us bouncing off of this 200 moving average on a 2-minute, 5-minute. This shit looks bullish to me.
Yeah, it's just looking like a small pullback at the open, and there's so much more time left in the market, but I really don't.
Yeah, I mean, if you green, scale out.
I was good green. I should have just got out, bro. I was up 500, but I just didn't want to scale out of the position. I thought we could have got like another nice bounce, but doesn't seem like it right now.
I'm gonna stop out of these other two.
Plus things moving heavy, bro. That does not look good for me.
This is at your 5-minute money zone, right? Oh, this is 2-minute. God damn,
2-minute.
I thought I was looking at.
Yeah. It's a 2-minute.
5 minutes right under though. It's like literally right here.
I'm not letting them take me there though, bro. I'm out of here.
I paid $533. That ain't bad.
Yeah.
You said you're out?
PA or a top step? That's still good though, because you took that trade with MAQs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's good.
I need a demand line to come in and save my ass on this trade.
Yeah, same here, bro. I have 3 contracts, so I
But both of you guys are at VWAP, or at least he has it at VWAP, and Q's also at VWAP.
Just broke through the fucking 200. Let me just kill this.
Negative 488. So this has room back down to negative 700.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop out.
This looks no bueno.
And this is up at 0. This thing hit 0 at 941.
I stopped myself out on that. Oh, wait,
Oh, the barometer's coming down.
Good fucking what you call it stop. Maybe not.
The barometer is coming down right now.
What's the barometer?
NVIDIA.
Yeah. That's the barometer. That's just coming down. You don't want to, if you're long any position, that's the name that you don't want to see come down.
Or
Apple too. Apple's coming down. Yeah, I mean we're giving a pullback.
I'm back on. And I got my stop on money. There we go.
oh man, that thing is fucking melting right now, bro. That does not look good. It should just drop like over 13 cents, bro. That's a lot. That's a lot. Fuck, I don't like this. Back on my fucking first entry right here. I can't let this shit bleed anymore, bro. This ain't good for me. Oh, fuck off. Don't do this to me right now.
We got a nice zone right there that we bounce off of 81. We'll try to get this shit another shot.
We have a new 15-minute rolling in right here. We're slightly above the 50 HMA, but if this shit gets under the 50 HMA, it's probably going to get.
All my alerts just came through post 9:45.
I'm in at 82.
You're long in right here?
Yeah, 5-minute money zone.
Okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to pick one up with you right here as well.
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind. I'm out. Yeah, I'm done with this trade. I'm not taking
Lord,
any more long.
Jesus. Y'all gonna take this whole up move back or what? Come on now.
Seems like it, bro.
I'm gonna hold one. I'm not gonna add into this shit. This down move is wicked.
I'm down over 600 right now. I gotta cut this. Yeah, I'm out. Down like 620 on that.
Yeah, that was wicked. Let me go back in the house and see what I can do on my PA.
Yeah, this thing looks heavy right here, bro. It doesn't look good at all. I don't fuck with this. Too far out the money for me now.
Nvidia just tested previous day's high. And now it's soaking up that flush candle that just happened.
Oh yeah, that's where it spies at as well. Previous day's high.
ES is red.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Spy
ES red and spies at previous day's high.
Get back into it. All right, we're back
That's
above
wild.
that level, so maybe we can. Oh no, shit.
Yeah, things getting heavy right there again. It got bought up a little bit, but it got heavy again.
Yeah, they came, broke me even, and then it took it all back.
I could grab another long right here just because I like the price action that's available. Take advantage of this. Take another long right here. But I'd be too heavy into the position. I kind of don't want to do that.
Damn, I was looking at Amazon short at 937, but it looks like yet again I'm not going to get a lower high fade.
Buy's looking really heavy right here, bro.
Motherfucker dying hard, boy.
Yeah. I mean, it is at previous day's close, so it could catch a nice bounce right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm really going for right now. But fuck, man, that thing's showing a lot of weakness, bro. Yeah, I might be done on this position, bro. I think I'm cooked. Oh,
I thought you got out of that.
no, bro, I moved my stop down too far. I didn't think it was gonna fucking tap me that far because I wasn't liking the way the contracts were moving. Then I moved my stop down, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna have to. Yeah, I'm out, bro. I'm out now. Damn, that's no bueno. I really fucked that up today. We're down over $1 and some change. This thing could definitely keep bleeding down.
Damn. Yeah, heavy too.
Yeah, bro, it's getting real heavy.
Trying to find an entry here.
On what, longs or shorts?
Short. You need him to pull back a lot though. Probably missed this train, so I'm not rushing it.
For sure, bro.
Damn,
Yeah, it's
bro. 69,
that-
shit down to 40.
That did not look good at all, bro. Like at all for longs. They really just tapped the top BB and just pulled back. That's exactly where they faded from this morning too. So this thing could really keep falling.
Damn, bro.
Wow, bro. What a fucking fade that was, bro. Right at fucking 2 minutes supply.
All right, that's the bounce I want to see. Good thing I didn't jump in that shit.
You trying to still catch the bounce?
Nah, brother.
Oh, okay, for sure.
Just waiting for an opportunity right now. I don't know if I see anything, so I'm not trying to create anything. You know?
Word. Yeah, there's a demand right here on the 2-minute. That's the only thing I'm really seeing.
They're gonna go test that shit.
No, they broke through that shit already, bro. They already did. It's just getting heavier. It bounces a little bit, then it just gets heavier.
Damn, the Amazon contracts I was looking at, they were trading at $1.30 a con. They're now up $2.42.
On shorts?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I want to put.
Wow, bro.
That would have been a couple racks.
Yeah, easy, bro.
I'm so
But-
confused. Why is this shit not working?
I couldn't trade it, man. This is not a. I could have traded it. I seen.
No, this fade is disgusting, bro. It could definitely keep rotating down, bro. I don't see any room for bounces right here. There's a demand that's like a little bit below us, but yeah, that shit looks funny. Yeah.
Jesus.
Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? I was on the wrong side. I was up though, and I just didn't take advantage of what it gave me, and then now look at this shit. Stupid.
That motherfucker dead.
Yeah, bro. Spy's dead, bro. This shit can't come back. There's no way. I don't know where we would bounce at.
Previous day lows.
Oh, looks like I'm sitting
Jeez.
on hands. I ain't touching that. I had an opportunity to get like 20 points. No, I was in at 70. Shit, I was looking at this shit at like 70, bro. Shit went to 30. Jesus Christ.
We had negative 700 on the dollar sign tick for what it's worth.
Yeah. That's that very shit I was talking about right there. So you should see a bounce here. Like where they stop people out.
I'm long. Looking for a playback up to 955 if it don't tag me first.
You caught a good fill.
15 points right now.
They fighting right now to keep the admission to go along with right. Fuck this.
Those previous days close. I'm gonna tighten my stop up. Up $86 in the PA account. Nothing to brag about.
I think I want to long this demand with y'all down here, but fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, not right now.
This bitch is a dead duck, cuz.
Yeah, I don't think that this shit's gonna bounce, bro. I mean, as much as I want to trust the levels, it looks like it might bleed fucking through, bro.
You don't have the dollar sign tick pulled up, Jazz?
Nah, bro, I don't use that.
Say just look at it. Don't use it, but just kind of look at how it reacts to certain levels. And it kind of gives you an idea of when you want to kind of go long or short.
Okay.
Damn, Amazon. I would have been up 2 points, bro.
Bro,
I'm always on the right side, bro, but price action doesn't be matching what I want to see.
yeah, this shit's getting heavier and heavier by the bounce. Shit sucks.
They about to flip this trend real quick on everybody ass real quick.
I know, man. If I do, because this is the second time it happened. It happened yesterday on Google and it happened today on Amazon. I know 100% if I take that type of trade, if I take the trade that the market showed me today, not waiting for the price action that I'd like to see, I know 100% that's going to be the day where they keep breaking highs and I get fucking cooked. So just got to tell myself to keep doing the right thing because I'm on the right path.
You're thinking about shorting right here? Is that what you're talking about?
I had shorts on my mind the whole morning.
Oh, okay. No, that's what I was
Like-
asking. Like, I don't know if you're trying to short right here.
No, I'm not taking no shorts down here. I'm gonna wait for pops towards VWAP or whatever.
Yeah, I got an order to take some shorts off. If they give us a good bounce, looks like everything is just heavy. Market came down. We're inside the bullish zone here. Yeah, I'll see if I can grab some.
I grabbed one long right there, bro.
My trade stats gonna be crazy. I'm trying to get one more trade, and then I think I'm done for the day. I think waiting to see how this gonna react to 400. We basically trading between negative 400 and negative 750.
Excuse me.
And Q looking like it's trying to go back green. Having difficulties on the 9 on the window.
Yeah.
And previous day's close.
I was having some difficulties right here as well. It does look like it wants to try to do like a small reverse.
Look like the dollar sign trying to push back lower. Let's see if it can get back over this line. Be inclined to go long. The market just ain't really caught up.
Look at Nvidia just trying to fucking turn on the fucking heater right now. Reversing. AMD's trying to join it too. That's why I would not short semiconductor names, regardless of if price action's matching. Just could not, for the love of me. Short semis. No shot.
Mm-hmm. I just banged it. I'm definitely shutting down up 316.
What happened, Spark?
I just caught the shorts on that shit.
Me too.
Oh, right there at the money zone. Nice entry.
Shit. Go back to MNQ. Cancel those orders. Probably should have held that shit because I think if we break lows, this shit is a dead duck. That's a big level right there at 932. That will flip the trend. Here we go.
3 minutes till 10.
Warning.
Hey, beat the 10, do we?
No, but what number?
Yeah, no, I know. It's always that 10 o'clock candle is always so significant.
Warning. Oh shit, it's about to go down. You holding them shorts? You holding that trade? You holding that trade?
I'm done. Nah,
You took profit down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took about 10 points.
I should have put a fucking starter on Amazon, bro. Anytime I get that feeling, I probably should just do a starter on.
I took 10 points on that shit.
Yeah, what was my entry? I was in at 48.
I was in at 49. I was looking at the tick chart too. Like they pumped up. I'm like, all right, if this shit goes back down and this fucking heat stays on, should get a nice rotation. Now that they basing out down here, though, I just think this is a bear flag. So every up move, short the shit out of it. You get nukes.
Yeah, it's below BWAP, so that's what I need to be. I don't need to be trying to go long.
More importantly, look at the tick chart. That shit ain't go above 0 yet, bro.
Yeah, but you still can kind of. So it's ranged between, like I said, like between negative 400 and negative 750. So at 750, I'm taking longs. Right. At 400, I'm taking shorts.
Negative 400?
Yeah.
That's where it's ranging at? I changed my code to show me where the thing is closing at. I think you're right. So here we go again. It's like around 234 right now?
Negative 541. 508.
This lagging shit is trash. I'm just trading my price action 12 bids.
Yeah, I think I'm done. I want to make 300 a day, but I don't like this price action right here. It's totally choppy.
It's choppy for now. Don't move.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. I could just wait till like 10:30 and see if it kind of smooths out.
This is actually like shit, man. Like My phone ain't ringing. The shit just like. Hello, spam.
Hey.
Get off my phone with that foolishness.
My doggone large win to largest loss is killer today. That shit gonna boost up my darn stats like crazy.
Yes, I heard this shit. Shit makes a difference in that P&L. That shit be ballooning. Here goes a money zone rejection here.
Okay, we back down to negative 700 again.
That's not. Oh, there goes the push. So
But see, I want to. So it's still tanking. So that's why it's down negative 829. I won't go long until
I'll
I
get
kind of
out.
see it pushes back up. So I'm gonna try to see how far this go down.
Yeah, you might want to get out of there. Right there. We just cracked
Oh
750.
no, I'm not in it.
No, not you, but like if you were in this, you better be looking to cover because if this shit snaps from that 750 negative 750 level, you might and it's still inside this little range that they doing with making higher highs on the candles.
Man, this was when this finished. Seeing if I could find. I shouldn't be looking for a long entry. I just said I don't want a long below this. But the tick chart was perfect. Tick chart was perfecto to what I just said it's been doing. And then once it broke 750, I got to see if it's going to bounce off 750 or if it's just going to continue to tank. It just continued to freaking tank.
That's when I tell you, like, you gotta be careful grabbing the lows down there because this shit could get heavy on your ass.
But that's the thing. So if I grab down there, I'm looking. I'm gonna have a spot to stop out at, but before I do it, I want to see the dollar sign tick kind of catching support. So like right now, it's at 873. I'm gonna be looking for it to kind of catch support somewhere.
Let me see if this. So right now the tick chart has been living below the zero line. Let's see what kind of day we're gonna have. The VOLQD is breaking neutral territory, headed towards the bearish area down there at 30 million, and the ADQD has been fucking tanking since that pivot happened. So that was the indication that the market was selling off right there. Oh, this shit finna go.
Yeah, because now we bounced off of negative 700 to go back down again to try to stay in that lower part of the range. Yep. I got this, man. I got this. The more I look at this chart, the more I learn how to read it.
Yeah, it definitely looks like it's about to go back down again. The money zone rejection right there on the fucking micros. Yeah, that shit's crazy, bro.
Yeah. So now we headed back down to negative 1,000, where I like to be.
I took this this range right here that they're doing on the tick chart to the downside since we're below the 200. Called it a fucking day. Should have went in again when they got back up there.
Oh man, it just broke lower.
Give me negative 1,000. I'm gonna just grab one NQ, one MNQ. Wow. Yeah, this is nasty. This is nasty. That go negative 1,000 right there.
Yeah, they're about to break that fucking supply or that demand level down there, bro.
You're gonna see the loner candle.
This thing looks like it's about to get fucking heavy, bro. Look at that shit. Jesus. That's not good at all.
So now I'm just looking for a value area. We almost all the way back down to that damn CPI low.
Yep.
This thing's done for, bro. This thing does not look like. Every little bounce gets fucking beaten down, bro. Every single one.
Don't discontinue this level down. This is the key right here. They breach fucking 913 into 986. We might have a
yeah, bro. It's falling, bro. It's done for. Like definitely done for, bro. I don't see any room of fucking reversal right here. I mean, the only thing they have is like the 4-hour 50 HMA, but bro, look at that lead off,
Yeah,
bro.
this is fine because of grand.
Things done, bro. I don't see no room for reversal anymore. Under the fucking 200 MA on the 15-minute now, bro. Holy fuck, bro.
They the money zone on the 4-hour. Come on, hold it. Watch them bounce down here now. LMD, you went and took that 1,000. Homeboy went dark. They still pushing that shit.
Yeah, bro, that shit's still falling, bro. There's no chance. It's crazy. Oh man, I wish I was right side today, bro.
I would have been fucking paid. You chicken shit. You chicken shit.
I'd be so paid if I was on the right side today, bro. Played like an idiot.
This shit gone.
Yeah, this thing's dying, bro. Whole market's dead, bro. That shit fell so hard, bro. From 478, bro. We're at 470, 450.
And based on the fib yesterday, low overnight, if we get down to 16,856, we should see a bounce.
Bro, by 7 o'clock, that's so insane. We felt like that, bro. That's crazy.
She's not giving anyone a chance. I'm officially bearish on this chart based on this 2-minute flip.
Yeah, bro, this thing can't turn around, bro. There's no chance. What the fuck?
Still falling?
Bro, I wish I would have taken shorts today, bro. I didn't even think, bro.
Damn.
Literally didn't even use my brain right, bro. I'm so irritated with myself.
Could have caught this shit at that 1,700 break.
Bro, this thing is still dying, Brody.
Look at the macro real quick, guys. Figure out where the fuck this market trying to go in the dog. I hope you ain't take that breach of fucking 1,000.
I did. I got clapped.
I told you, careful with that shit, bro. I don't know when that shit's gonna pivot, but it's gonna pivot. Maybe you should do what you said. Wait for it to like kind of bounce back above 750.
It did, but it never did hold.
Maybe that's a clear sign of flip the like. You ever use that reversal button on the Trader Bay or Ninja Trader?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good time to hit that motherfucker. Reverse. So we got a level here at 837. That could hold. Don't know if it's going to, but nice little bounce so far, 837. Oh, and that's another 15-minute level down there, guys. So this is a good area to try to defend for some longs. I guess just wait for price action, though, because this looks heavy. Look at this shit.
Bro, it's so crazy. We're bouncing right now, but these 4,800s are fucked.
Yeah, that was too much volatility to the downside, bro.
Yeah, bro. All these contracts are fucking cooked, bro. They can't catch a bounce.
Like I said, that shit looked like a bear flag to me when they had that little temporary pause right there. I mean, you could draw fucking channel lines and see that shit. So
yeah, bro. I just didn't. I don't know. I wasn't able to prepare myself appropriately to take shorts when I got out of my longs.
It's hard to do. My mind be fucked up. I'm like, oh shit. I was gonna grab some MNQs at 62. They hit 61 and fucking dropped. Like, you bitch motherfucker. But I canceled the order anyway, so maybe I'm the bitch.
478 to 474, bro. That's so fucking nuts, bro. The market just fell $4, bro. You know how much fucking volatility that is for puts, bro? That's insane, brother.
1,000%.
It's like 3-4% right now, bro. Easy.
This is insane. The 5-minute ATR just shot up to fucking 50 points. You gotta risk 50. The 2-minute ATR is at 37 points. This is nuts.
This thing's done for, bro. I don't see any type of area for bounce anymore, bro. Like, not at all. There's nothing. I watch it come in right here, though. But, bro, I don't see shit, bro.
38 points. 38. Bruh.
I don't see shit, bro. Damn, I cooked myself today, bro. I'm so mad at myself. I took that $600 L. I wasn't willing to fucking take shorts. So stupid. Traded like a fucking idiot today, bro. Shit sucks. So stupid. Stubborn. Bro, this thing just keeps dying. My bad, my commentary's probably fucking annoying, y'all.
Oh yeah, you're right. It keeps dying. Oh my god. Super trend just fucking paid out,
Bro, oh my god. How is this shit falling this fucking hard, bro? Like, what? How? Bro, put to a 440 at one point, bro. They're trading at fucking $30 right now.
Jesus Christ. 400 to 30 to 3,000?
Yes, bro. 4780s.
There goes a decent bounce there. Nope. I don't really see a bounce, but on my chart on TOS is showing a bounce. What the fuck is going on? So 2 minutes. 2 minutes. There goes the bounce.
They need more than a fucking slight bounce, bro. This shit needs to.
Well, you gotta wait for price action to kind of confirm that they're really gonna defend this level, unless you down and take a V shape. And if you do that and they clap, you just fucking take the L.
There hasn't been an exchange for a V shape yet.
Copy.
That requires a lot of wood. I don't even know if we can get that right now.
Sorry, Bigger. What do we need again for that exchange? To take
You need an excessive amount of volume
Yeah.
that exchanges hands from buyers to shorts, and then you want to see an engulfing candle kind of move over the prior 3 candles in one candle.
Damn.
And usually that's going to end up signifying that it's a V shape. The buyers are much more intact. Right now, I think that we can catch a bid. I think that, like, for instance, if you were gonna for Jazz, if you were gonna go ahead and long, this is kind of where you would need a long at in hopes. And this is ES levels. You kind of have to hope, like, you can scoop up a long here. The RR is intact because you have previous day lows right here. Literally like 4 points away, and then the fucking profit is literally like 30 points. But you know, it's at that 4-8, let's give it 15. So you could possibly take that. To me, there has not been an exchange of hands that has changed the tapes yet. So there is no V shape yet on the tape. So the only thing you'd be, you know, it's not, you know, buying here is not really bad because you're risking previous day lows if you're trading ES.
Yeah.
So it's not really a bad take to go ahead and take, you know, a trade here. Under the expectation that we probably see that 4-8-15 area again, but that's how you would have to trade it. But this is if that does happen, this isn't a V shape here. This is just like, all right, you're gonna take a pop, and then it might lower high on a macro view and then keep failing.
I mean, I'm trying to read the tape right now, and I'm seeing some decent sized orders come in, like 10, 12 on the buy side, but not a lot on the sell side. But I don't see no level 2s going through with that kind of size.
Exactly, that's what I mean. Like you'll see you should be able to see the exchange of hands. Like you should be able to see your candlestick, like kind of like flicker. Like it'll be like an aggressive one-way move and flicker into another direction. So let's say, hypothetically speaking, let's just give a time format here. Let's say that this candle at 10:09 came in, right? That huge flush. The very next candle should have a big flicker of movement on the candlestick that engulfs that previous one. If you're not seeing that action, you're not having a V shape yet.
Yeah, I don't see that at all.
So that's how you
You ain't
determine
gonna be
whether
able to see it until the candle's actually moving.
yeah, exactly.
You're gonna
So
see it in static candles.
Yeah, you have to. You'll see like it's easier when you're reading the tape because you'll see the influx of volume being transferred, the shares being transferred hand to hand. But you're not seeing that right now. They're none of that's happening currently.
Oh fuck no, bro. I can't even really think about going long right here at all. Like I know, like I wouldn't even want to go short right here, but I definitely can't. No, I can't even piece it together to go long right now.
No, I wouldn't want to go long here. That's why I'm saying this is not a V shape yet. If you're trying to play for the V shape, you need that. You need that, and you'll kind of see it because it'll be an aggressive panic. Like it'll be something like out of the ordinary, and then you'll catch that bid up. Now, if we want to consolidate here, I wouldn't consider this a straight V shape, but if we want to consolidate here, I'm not opposed to if people want to take longs here. Like I said, the R is intact, right? You have previous day lows on ES, and previous day lows is fairly close on NQ as well. So it's like, I'm not opposed if people were like, oh my God, I want to take a long here. Sure, go ahead, take a stab. Make sure you're lighter size than usual because you are definitely going against the grain right now.
Oh yeah,
And that's how you would have to trade that. There's no exchange of hands so far. It's just been steady pressure. And this is when you have to ask yourself, because I'm hearing, Jazz with the commentary of we keep bleeding and bleeding. You have to understand when you're saying things like that, you also have to look back at the prior days. We've had 2 or 3 days of just consistent bids up, and nobody's saying, oh my God, where's the stopping and the buying? Why is that? No one's saying that because it's being bought up and everyone likes to see the market go up. But when you see the market come down like this, you can't just sit there and be like, oh my God, I see no demand in sight, or, how is it doing this or what? It's doing this because it had such a big run up. And then the news that came out, the CPI news that came out was bad news. They were expected, I think, 3.2 and they got 3.4 on it, which means that if that is the case, that means that we might have a bottom on current inflation prices right now, which means that they need to find a way to get lower than that 3.1 that they really expected. So if they can't find a way to do that, and this is macroeconomics, if they can't find a way to do that, that's why you're kind of getting this movement. But yet again, even with this drip out, look at the big review of where the market is, and we're still bullish. You buy every fucking dip in a long term, and you get happy with it.
Yeah.
That looked like a.
I was only saying that they were dripping like that just because like I couldn't find a way to get in myself.
Yeah, I mean, me either. I missed my my Amazon play, but I'm fully understanding. This is what I've kind of preached about before. Let the market, if you missed the move on a day, right? Let's say you missed a move or you took a bad entry on a day. Tomorrow should give you that secondary move. If this is a clear downtrend move, tomorrow you're probably going to get some pops to these levels that end up failing to follow through. And that's the secondary move. That can be the start of the macro down move if that's going to be the case. Do keep in mind tomorrow's PPI, so obviously that's going to matter. But just keep that in the back of your mind that sometimes the initial moves, and I talk about it on an intraday perspective, right? You get that blow off high, then you get a lower high. The lower high is a secondary move that always offers the better RR trade. But think about it on a more macro aspect. If you're looking at a move like this, let's say hypothetically, I don't know what SPY looks like, so I don't have it up right now. But for instance, let's say tomorrow, I'm looking at ES. Let's say ES is just dripping, but tomorrow we get a pop towards that 815 level, that 820s level, and we start to fail to follow through. Well, if you look at the macros on like a 5-minute or 15-minute chart, you can probably see that that's going to be a lower high to the prior day on a macro-wise trade. So it never really is truly going to leave you in the market's not going to leave you in the dumpster. It's not going to do that. There's always going to be an opportunity. It's just, are you going to be, is your mental capacity blown? If your mental capacity is blown, you're never going to be prepared for that move.
Understood.
On a tick chart, I saw.
I'm pissed. I'm so pissed, y'all.
By the way, ES did double bottom there.
Oh, there we go.
That's what I was saying. Like, you got to just look for a price action down there so you don't get in front of the bulls.
Y'all heard me preaching. This is where you want to get in at. I mean, I was just saying that. Like,
I've been in.
That's where you wanted to be in, but because your risk is so intact, the RR is there. You know, if you stop out, so be it. You know, but that's the place where you want to be long in. You want to be long there. You don't want to be, you know, now you don't want to be long up here.
Right.
That's not where you want to
I
take
mean,
your
but you
longs
could
at.
wait for a pullback if they're gonna go up.
Yeah,
they're
wait
gonna
for
build
a macro
structure.
higher low.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree.
So
I agree.
I need $600 to qualify this $200,000 account right now, and I had it, and I
You said $200,000 account?
$100,000.
Ooh, the pivot came from the purple candles
Just
too.
one stop up, and it moved all of my stops, man.
Pivot came from the purple candles too. Purple on
We
the
up at 0 now. Finally.
yeah. If we break above, we're gonna get a bull run.
The thing, like I said, I think that there's a good chance that we're gonna get. I mean, we can see CPI lows, which is 4802. We can see 1406, 4806, and then we have 4815 on ES. Sort of the same with same concept. If you look left with NQ, I mean, it just rejected CPI lows, which is exactly what I just talked about on ES. So it's rejecting that level right now. So, you know, that's what you have to. You kind of have to be willing to just. I mean, the RR was there. So let's say you're trading previous day lows or whatever. You know, the RR for this move up, you know, that it's still a good move. You should be probably taking pieces, especially into that volume move that just happened at 1019. You got that, you know, engulfing. I mean, at least take a piece off. There's no need to be holding a full position into that.
Yeah, another demand.
If you did manage to get the lows of it. But like I said, that wasn't even hindsight. And you guys seen my whole walkthrough on why I think that we should be going, you know, you should probably take a long here. Now, like I said, it's not a V shape. It was a clear, I mean, it's a double bottom now when you look. But, you know, that's how you just got to just play the R game and see how this thing wants to trade.
Yeah, I'm good. You boys have it. Good trading day.
I think another pullback will go long, but right now it doesn't make sense for me to go long right.
Yeah, you would have to wait for a higher low retest.
Whenever you get a chance, check out that last picture. Remember you were saying change the colors to green or red, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep them cyan and violet or purple.
Mm-hmm.
On a tick chart, every time that line turned fucking cyan, we had a bleed off to the downside, and it just flipped purple at 8:45. Not the time, but like the level 16845, and that bitch been running still purple. Even on that pullback, the bitch was purple. That pullback created another demand zone too, so that's nice for another run. This shit went 78 to 97. Jesus Christmas. This market doing numbers today, cuzzo.
Yeah, man, the only setup, man, that I could have probably taken was at Amazon, but it was so early. I mean, we're talking 9:37. Shit, bro. So early to take a position like that.
Were you trying to go in with size? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, I shouldn't have. I probably should have just, if I would have put like 7 contracts, 5 contracts on, I probably would have been able to play that with like relative peace of mind. But I was trying to get in that shit with like 20, 30 on that. And that's probably the reason why I didn't take the trades, because I wanted to. I felt like we wanted to move lower. You know, when I'm seeing negative news like that come out and we're breaking highs after highs after highs, and I'm seeing these engulfing candles, I'm like, the exchange of hands is gonna happen. And I should have known that it happened based on 935 and 936 candles on Amazon. I should have knew that the exchange already happened. But you know, when you're trying to put on size and you want to see price action a certain way, it's all right. I mean, that's the name of the game, right? I told myself this year that no subpar setups, and technically speaking, this would be considered subpar because the price action didn't match what I wanted to see. So,
Understood, bro. Yeah, I mean, you stuck to your rules. That's all that matters, right?
yeah, it just sucks to see sometimes, you know. You're like, fuck. Like I said, the contracts went up 100%.
I'll see how this pullback plays out right here. We're still under the 200 MA on the 15 minutes, so it doesn't really make sense.
for what it's worth, the barometer went red to green. So I'm telling you, man, if you guys are trading any names right now, it don't matter if you're trading futures, ES, SPY, QQ, it don't matter. If you do not have an NVIDIA chart up, you're doing yourself a disservice because this fucking stock right now is in control. This shit is in control right now. This fucking stock, I don't think there's anything like if Apple is fucking red. And while Apple was red, dripping the fuck out, NVIDIA was still above previous day's high. Like, and that's while NQ was still failing. I mean, it finally had let it go, but look at it V-shaping right back up and green on the day. NVIDIA is the barometer, and it's hands down. It's not even close. There's nothing that's capable of moving the market at this current state right now than NVIDIA. You're doing yourself a disservice if you do not have the stock up. That shit, bro, it is the barometer, man. I can't fucking trade that shit to save my life, though. To be fair, I can't trade that shit, bro. Not long or short.
Why is that?
Because, bro, because of how expensive the contracts are now because of the price and how quickly it got to it. So the contracts are going to be relatively expensive, and it's also spready. The name's spready due to the price. So if you get a move that goes against you, and I'm sure you know because you trade options. If you get a move against you, that spread can widen significantly. It's like, where are you stopping out at now? So it's difficult. So I can't, and I definitely don't want to short. Like I said, I've been on record to say I'm not shorting any semiconductor names. It's just not happening. So that means that one, I can only long it, and I also am not comfortable longing. If NVIDIA wants to drop back down to 500, I'll be there for it. But that's 44 points away, bro. So we'll see.
Yeah, I'm still not finding any reason to get into longs on SPY right now. I mean, it's starting to get above
if
this.
If you want to make money,
zone.
do the opposite of what I'm gonna do.
You said what?
If you want to make money, just trade against me. Whatever I'm getting in, do the opposite.
Hey, yo, why? What happened? You losing today or what?
Fuck no, I'm up like green change.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, why the fuck you saying that? Fuck.
I'm pretty sure some people do that, but yeah, like when you were going long, and I was telling you like, nah, them longs look like when that bear market started happening, bro. When you see them big ass candles, you could. The one thing that goes against you when you see an engulfing candle, or you don't want to see if you flip bearish, is that candle get wicked up. If that candle gets wicked up, then there's a buyer that ate all that selling off. But if you see that shit stick, bro, think about switching sides unless a demand line comes up or something like that. But if you look at your time frame, there was some crazy levels up there on the 15-minute, I think, that brought us down like this heavy.
Oh yeah, no, there was already a supply that was established.
Yeah, since yesterday. I tried to play that shit last night, bro, and I kept getting squeezed out. Every time I went fucking short at the highs, I'd make like $50 and then kaboom, they went back and took it. And I'm like, let me just go long because I guess this is just like a rally happening. And I just thought this shit was going to go. Went long, took my money, and I was done with the market. When I woke up today and I saw the EU brought it down, we had a demand line that brought us up, but then fucking the data, what was the jobless claim today?
Oh, CPI, bro.
CPI killed that fucking level. It killed both levels. And I'm like, this is the bitch ass move that I was looking for last night. Then
what did I tell you yesterday, though?
What's that?
Not to toot horn, but I basically got the timing exact. This is not even a joke. You can look at my chat yesterday where I said, don't be surprised if we move up 4 a.m. to 6 a.m. and we start tripping down.
Yeah.
And look what happened. I mean, that is yesterday. I said that yesterday in here. You can look that up. That's as hindsight as it gets because I didn't even say it. I wrote it.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know. I never know what CPI is going to do. I thought that, we get what I did call was that 886 level. They made it to like 992, like 892 or something like that. And then they fucking bounced. So I was 5 points away from it. To me, that doesn't matter. It's just, an area that we should bounce from. That was a 4-hour level. That CPI number came right to that shit. LMD caught the first pop. They came right back down there again. And then into the morning open, it just rallied right back up to the highs, and then it was a wrap. They put toast on that motherfucking bread. If this shit is trending, this is where we're gonna fucking fall again. But I think that was a decent bounce. Shit,
Yeah, and they got real strong here, but no, I can't.
Best Buy's struggling under the 200 MA on the 15-minute. There's a new candle rolling in like a couple of seconds. So I don't know. We'll see how this price actually behaves from right here.
Yeah, so we're basically rejecting the 5-minute supply. We're getting purple candles on the fucking
2-minute.
2 minutes. So either those purple candles go back to red, or you see green. I'm inclined to believe after that higher low that you just don't take it. You don't take any shit if they break that previous swing low if you're going long. And if you're going short, your R&R is fucking lit right here. Stop out in this kind of consolidation zone.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have no supply up here though, so
I'm looking for a snap higher right here.
Yeah, I think it snaps higher, bro. It's above that 830 CPI. So as long if the market stays above that CPI low, I think we go higher. But I do think that we probably reject previous day's close.
yeah, good
If
move.
anything, and then retrace, and maybe we get a nice uptrend to close out the day. Relatively either flat for PPI tomorrow or slightly red or slightly green. I don't think we're gonna get an excessive move over 17,057, which is the CPI high. I don't know if we get that.
That was a sick ass snap right there.
I told you. That's what I was looking for, up to 25.
Yes, sir.
I think I got the 100K qualified.
Nice.
Yes,
Dude.
sir. Yes,
You
sir.
called that shit in like 4 days.
Yes, sir. Man,
Got a nice pop right there.
man. This was a nail biter, but it was one that I stuck to my guns on.
Jesus Christ. That was
You got a 100K account funded in like 4 days, bro. That's wild.
Good shit on that.
Appreciate it. And I am shutting it down. I'm red in the freaking PA account, but it's all good.
Yeah, if they continue this trend, they could definitely reject right here, which is where the 5-minute 50 HMA is at.
Made 38.50 in that account this morning.
Yo, you fucking snapped today, bro. Good job on that 100K, man. Because that honestly, that's gonna allow you to, I still say, like, I don't know, because you have to trade the 100K account as if you have $3,000. You do know that, right? Because that's your maximum loss, 3,000.
Hey, bro.
Mhm.
So you, like, in my opinion, you need to be, trading, with, like, if you want to do like a 10% type rule where $300 a day, and you're done, something like that, and you can do that easily with the amount of times that you take trades and the size that you take them in on MNQs. I think that's going to be the right way to go about it, because it gives you the proper range that you need to be successful. I think that if you rush it with an NQ or something, man, that's when it gets kind of dangerous. And I know you want to take NQs because it's a $100,000 account, but it's not really. It's really a $3,000 account.
But that's why I did the 100K instead of the 25 or the 50K, because it gives me more room for my style of trading.
Yeah.
One NQ risking 10 points, that's $200. I can, if I lose $300, I got 10 times the fire rate.
You know I'm about to fuck with you, right?
Transform.
So you know I'm about to fuck with you, right?
What's that?
So you know I'm about to fuck with you, right?
What you mean?
When I was telling you that, these I need a bigger account because I need more of a daily loss limit based on my style of trading, you was like, nah, you shouldn't be wanting to lose more than $200. And I was like, nah.
Yeah. Nah, but I mentioned that to you a while back though. That, like, yeah, I feel you on that.
Yeah, these
because you need that wiggle room.
Yeah, I mean, you could be, and then you'll be amazed at how much MNQs pay out with less stress. That nail biting shit, you could take 4 MNQs, bro, and and kill this market. Get really good moves.
like 2 NQs and kill it and still
Yeah,
have
you could.
strong
Yeah, but
though.
it could
But
also
the
go
thing-
against you, and you ain't got that much ammo when it starts going against you. Like don't you
But
just
my thing now with this kind of strategy, so I'm getting in where I'm expecting it to bounce at,
right?
or where I'm expecting it to flush. So I'm gonna be like getting up out of that thing early. So
Oof, this looks
I
bad.
still have the ammo. And watch, I'm gonna show you.
This is what I'll say though, LMD. Because I want you to be able to hold these accounts. I think that
It's a good
when you
pullback.
initially are getting into these accounts, I think that you should probably take the MNQs and reach the threshold. Once you reach the threshold, I think then you can choose to go NQ. It makes zero sense, in my opinion, to not reach the threshold first.
What you mean, reach the threshold?
Reach where you can start taking your trades without blowing up the account, right? Because it's based on your money. You know, when you get there, I think that's when it's going to be the most beneficial, because to do it premature, you know that. So it goes like I come into the game with the psychological aspect of what trading is a lot, and that's how I talk. I talk a lot about, like, I talk a lot of psyche type shit. I think that psychologically, if you were to take losses on an account that hasn't paid you out, where you haven't met threshold, you're more than likely not willing to give a fuck about that account. And the reason why I say that is, while you did pay for the PA, you haven't met that threshold goal. So you have nothing in it for you yet. But once you reach that threshold goal and you know you're capable of taking a payout if you want, it'll make you trade differently. It'll make you want to trade differently, because now you want to really hold that account. So
Yeah,
that's
why I'm only trading MNQs in the PA account now.
Yeah, and that's what I mean. So once you get that PA in the 100K account, I think you do exactly what you're doing with your smaller account, because the only difference is that I think you have a 50K, which is, I think, a $2,000 is the threshold. All you're adding on this $100,000 account is another 1,000 on it. It's not, to me, it's not worth that additional NQ risk, in my opinion. Just keep hammering it the way that you're hammering it, because when you're losing, you're not bent out of shape that you're losing right now. When you took the loss on you, it don't seem like you're mad about that loss on your PA.
No, but I took some losses even on this. Let me see what the stats is on this account today.
Yeah, but that's what I mean. Like
500K account. I mean, on that 100K account with
Yeah,
NQ.
you
didn't bother me, just because I kind of know, like, that
I'm gonna go in some shorts here. Risking
risk is not going to really hurt me that bad.
Well, I think you also did it because you're not funded yet, and you're willing to take those shots to get funded faster. I think, yeah, man. I think from a psychological aspect, bro. I think that do the same thing that you're doing with your current PA, man, because you're gonna see longevity in that. Like, the last thing I want to see, I've been telling everyone in here that I want to see everyone succeed, because there's no reason, right? No one's incapable of succeeding in the market. I think we all have our problems.
There we go.
And I think
there we go.
for you,
There we
LMD,
go.
I think your problem is that sometimes you want to get into a.
Sorry, guys, I had to mute them for a second. So I'm taking shorts based off of this supply line. And if the market wants to continue with this downward trend on this 15-minute, then I want to see them push back down into lows and retest these areas down here. It could be a little bit premature or whatever, but I'm in it. We'll see what happens. Should have took some profit when I was up crazy just now, but going for the R&R game right now. Looking to scale out maybe when we hit 70s. Yeah, bulls look strong. Bulls look like they're gonna take me out. I could probably take myself out and then just kind of re-engage. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold it. We break this. I don't want no problems with these dudes. Yeah, we're back above the 200, 200 tick chart. So this right here could cause another bull run, but we'll see if they give it to us. We'll just stop out. I will just stop out. I know that. Yeah, everything's getting bought up there. Come on. Yeah, these bulls look strong, guys. Whew. There you go. There you go. Come on. Keep going. Keep going.
So, I mean, the only thing now is you're going to take small little trades, or I don't know if the one day evaluation passing thing's going to happen for you. I don't know how that works. But
today was the last day that you can do it. So that was the reason why I kind of, so like after the 11th, even if I bought that account yesterday, then it goes back to you having to trade 7 days. So I think today was the last day. So I should be good. I'll know this evening whenever they plug the numbers in.
Corny, bro.
You see, I'm in my shop now. I'm done. I'm gonna accept that red day in the
PA, I mean, yeah, in your PA, but and then you got funded 100K, bro. And that's all that matters, man. You got 2 funded accounts that you're able to make money out of. Your accounts together is $5,000 of risk that you have.
Yeah,
let me get out of this trade.
it's every 10 days that I can get paid out, which is nice. So yeah, I feel you on that one. I'm gonna definitely heed that advice and start off slow.
One more.
Yeah, man, just reach that threshold, man.
On the long, I mean, your short spurt.
Yeah.
That's how I've been able to stay alive in my featured accounts. I've been able to stay alive due to that type of mindset, that kind of change that I had.
Totally different than yours though. I'll go tilt in a heartbeat. You don't go tilt, so.
Nah, I don't. I take my red and I might get upset about it, but I'm like, yeah, I'm not. I know we work hard for this, bro. You worked hard. I mean, you worked hard for that. Just think about all the accumulation of knowledge throughout the years that you had to obtain in order to get these PA accounts. You know, you don't think like that. Most people won't. They won't think, oh man, they don't look back at the 2-3 years they spent studying, and then when they finally get it, they're like, oh, the last 2 weeks I worked hard, but really it's an accumulation of all that time and effort.
Just so you know, for the viewers, we shorted this supply line that came in after this supply line caused a reaction to the bottom of this 200 moving average. So right now, I'm looking to friggin' either take it all the way down here or scale out at 70. But I've taken some profit after getting in somewhere up here on the NQ. So for about good 15 points. Looking to go in again, but maybe with some MNQs to reduce my risk, increase my stop. Friggin' battle right now between the Bulls and the Bears up here, though. So Trying to be a little bit cautious to when I enter. Yeah, it looks like a bull run is fucking happening right there. Above this yellow line, it could run, so just don't give too much space. Below that, it could run lower, so whichever one kicks off, that's what I'm going for. This 2 minute is saying my stop should be up there, but I'm not doing that. But you might want to, because today could be a friggin' big day.
Why should you expect to be making not even millions, but why should you be expecting to make a salary in less than 2 years?
Yeah.
You have to look at it that way.
No, there's for sure so much learning that goes behind this shit that people don't really realize.
I'm sure, you know, you're gonna do what feels right. You know, it doesn't matter what we're saying, but I think like the experience that you blowing my account, bro, my PA account, my Express account in 2 days, had nothing to do with me being wrong, had nothing to do with me not following my trading plan, had nothing to do with like, you know, just it was just the drawdown at the time was just too much. Now, granted, I gave that shit too much room. You know, I took a 40-point hit on the first day. Anyways, you're not gonna give the market that much. But like you said, it's easy to go on tilt, and it's easy to be wrong when you take, you know, too much sides, etc. A whole bunch of bullshit can go against you. And it's just a matter of ammo, bro. You want ammo to play tomorrow. You want ammo to play months from now. And if you go in with them NQs, bro, and do what you're doing, you could just as well see the opposite effect. Just like when you took the trade today when the shit was at negative 1,000, right? That's your edge right now. It was at negative 1,000. You went for an entry, and for whatever reason, I don't know if they hit your stop, but like, let's say you do that shit twice trying to fucking get, you know, the pivot, and this motherfucker drops the way it did just now, 100 points. You're down fucking 800 in a blink of an eye, right? As opposed to being down 80.
But that's the main thing, just following. I always say, as long as you follow the plan, and your stop is now. See, what would have got me on that trade is me saying, okay, it's at 1,000. This shit is gonna bounce. So let me just keep moving my stop down. That's what will mess me up.
Right. And you could do that. You could fuck up. You can be human with MNQ and still live to fight another day. With NQ,
And that's what matters.
you cannot fuck up. You just can't go tilt. I don't blue fucking bro.
I think we're saying the same thing. Like I said before, I think that you know, and it's up to LMD to act on it, because it no matter what, it's your trading style. But personally, the reason why I've been able to hold my accounts as long as I've been able to hold my account is because I downgraded the NQs. I stopped trading until it's in my wheelhouse. Until it's in my wheelhouse, I don't trade NQs. Everything's MNQ. That's why I don't even share P&Ls of my trades other than my option trade. Well, I don't even share my P&Ls on my option trades. But I don't really share that shit because my futures trades are so kind of insignificant compared to what I usually am able to make out of either my options accounts or, you know, when futures is in my wheelhouse, I'm able to make clearly more money when it's in my wheelhouse.
Here we go. Here we go.
So, you know, it's just M&Q. The way that LMD trades is it's easy for him to compile that $300, $400, $500 day on an M&Q because you're constantly in positions. You're always in and out, in and out, in and out. If you know that you're getting in and out of positions and you're able to accumulate that much money, just understand that if your account is $3,000, which that's what a 100K account is, it's $3,000, and you're making $300, you're making 10% on your account. And if you keep doing that over and over and over and over again, you're gonna reach 100, 200, 300% on that account faster than what you think.
Mm-hmm.
And that's just break it. I break it down by the percentages, and I break it down by the psychological kind of takes as a trader that we have to go through. And that's one of the things that, you know, in the prop firm land that you gotta understand. A lot of people, you know, I talked to Spark about this. I lot of people think 100K.
Guys, I don't know what. So we took that trade, YouTube, and you know we basically got my fill is 97, and this thing is breaking down. Oh Lord, what a push back up. So like we expect those pushes back up because you know the market dropped significantly. When we are underneath the 200, oh man, this is terrible. That was terrible. Oh, here we go again. Let's go. Might get out because that demand line. Yeah, so we're about 2R. Yeah, let's lock that in. Let's lock that in. From 90. Ooh. All right, so I'm out. I'm out from 97 to about 65. Oh God, nice exit. So we risked nothing there, right? Like we had a 2R risk. This shit went further than 2R. I'm out because of this level here, this line, guys. So if this line causes some sort of like higher low, this market will shoot the fuck up. And if the other side can happen too, right? Like we break that. Oh, look, the supply line came in. Damn, might have been too early. So yeah, it might be a fight right here. I don't want to be a part of that fight. So yeah, we just basically also took that play to, you know, this 868 level, see what happens. See what happens. Yeah, damn, they broke. Damn, they broke. Whoever's holding that, man, good shit out there. But we made a good like 80 bucks from that, not too bad.
$100,000 account, you giving me good size, but they ain't looking at the stop size on the stop size on the back end of it.
Yeah.
But now my goal is to try to get this top step one qualified, and I done switched over to MNQs on it as well. So I'm heeding y'all advice.
Damn,
Right. I mean, you're starting off the year hot, man. Very hot.
And I'm with you, LMD. NQ is sexy, you know, you ain't got to stay in the trade too long. But I'm also loving the other side where my heart ain't fucking pounding even if I take
Oh, yeah, bro. That's the worst.
Fuck all that. Like,
Don't even when I take a hit, I guess because my stress level is like that. Like I don't even like okay, I get pissed for a minute, but it's like all right, we good. Let's go on and I can't cry over it.
no, I mean I respect that. You're paying fucking $14, $40 for an account. It's no big deal for an opportunity of a lifetime. We see that value. It's this market is especially NQ. If you traded a different market that was a little less, you know, fast paced than this, then great. But it's the amount of animals that you like. That's all I think. And you know this. You've experienced this shit. You've had, you know, whatever amount of PA accounts that went kaboom. You had whatever amount of like attempts at this that went kaboom. the one factor is NQ. It ain't got shit to do with your trading style. It is NQ.
It is my trading style. Because at the same time, I can go full tilt on an NQ. And it's just going to take me, or MNQ. It'll just take me longer to kaboom it.
Correct. That's important. That's actually.
But at the end of the day, I'm going to still kaboom it.
No, you don't have to. At some, you go tilt and you take 4 trades max. And I mean this shit. On NQ, on the wrong side, you're done. You take MNQs with the proper size and you don't, like you could go on tilt. At some point, you could go 10 trades and be like, nah, I'm fucking wilding and still not hit that daily loss limit, bro. Like that is important.
For me, at the end of the day, if I'm going to go tilt, and this, I can't remember who did a video on it, but somebody even mentioned it. There's like, if you're going to go tilt, and I think it was Jared, like if you're going to go tilt is tilt. Like, it's just, it'll take you longer. And what it wasn't so much on tilt. It was talking about new traders. Yeah. If a new trader has $1,000 account and they don't know what the hell they're doing, they're going to blow it up in, say, 10 days.
That's all right.
No, listen up. If they got a $100,000 account or a $10,000 account and they don't know what the hell they're doing,
they're going to blow up in 10 days.
They're going to blow it up regardless because they don't know what they're doing. And they just keep feeding that fire of the next trade. The next winning trade is right around the corner.
We're not talking about a trader that doesn't know what he's doing. We're talking about a defined trader in this game for a long time that has a developed edge and he's just tilting. That is every trader's like problem. Even the ones that make $1 million, right? Like that are 7-figure traders. They just identify that they're on tilt and they have a rule for that. And they say, you know what, I'm done. Let me walk the fuck off the table because I'm going on tilt. But their account can sustain that, and that's what it's about, right? Like a $3,000 threshold with NQ, it doesn't mean that you can't push away from that the way you did with the combine. Doesn't mean that. I fully believe that you're gonna fuck this. Like, you're going to kill this account, like, not in a bad way. You're going to fucking be successful in this account, even if you keep doing what you're doing. But there's no trader that can avoid being wrong 3 times and hitting that threshold. So just start off with on NQ. Like, just start. And again, it triggers tilt faster. Oh, shit, I just lost 800. Let me try to get this back. And then, or you lost 400 and you stay in a trade longer than you need to, trying to get the whole 400 back. Like, this is a psychological game. So if you can sort of defend against that, or catch that early without blowing up the account, that is clutch, bro. Like, and there's nothing we could tell you other than like, go through the experience. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's nothing we could tell you. But when you experience that, bro, it's gonna hurt, man. Like, that shit fucked me up for like a week. I was like, man, I just passed this shit. I said, fuck those accounts. And then I just went crazy in my cash account. But the road that it took to get that cash account up to 50K, bro, it was just taking MNQs for like, I think it was like 2 months. And then I was like, all right, I think I could step it up to NQ. And then I realized that even doing that, bro, I was breaking rules left and right, leaving trades early. Like, just going on tilt, somehow coming back from a $6,000 loss. I had 2 $2,000 loss days or red days, and I came back from that. And then I came back the next day and did the same shit. Like, it's just not worth it. And my wife would fucking kill me if I do this account dirty. But yeah, it's a trader's journey, bro. But I feel you, man. Go hard or go home. Go crazy. let's make this money, guys.
No, bro. Reach threshold on the MQs. Get as far of a separation as you can from that threshold, and then you can start hammering it on NQs. Once you know that, because once you get a max stop, it's not really a max stop anymore. Like, you still hold your account. It's your money now. Like,
or do what you're doing, man. And once you get that fucking first payout, open up your own account, cuz. Shit. You ain't got to deal with none of them bullshit thresholds.
Yeah, but nah, that's why I said I would just trade it and build up a cushion to where I can start paying myself a decent amount to open up my own account.
Yeah, and this day money in your pocket.
still keep using their account, get over, I'll trade that account like it's my account. The thing is, if I'm trading out of 2 of those accounts, I think that's about what, either $4,000 or $5,000 every 10 days that I could withdraw out of it. So why do I need to trade my own account if I can continue to do that and put that 5K, 2K, 3K just in my bank account to the side?
Yeah, I'm with you on that. Like, I don't think you necessarily need to get your own account, other than trying not to deal with their rules, which it's not a bad rule, bro. Like, I'm tripping.
Well, and you have to keep in mind it's only for 3 months with Apex, right? You just have to stay profitable for 3 months.
And it's not even their rules once you get over the threshold. Because once you get over the threshold, you trade it like it's your account. There is no rule.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah. Well, guys, I'm not leaving, but I'm done trading. Like, I caught the shorts on that one. Figured that after that big rejection that we had off the 15-minute money zone, we might see some follow through to the demand zone. Took a tick chart, had my stop right above that bitch, and it paid. So now in the cash, I'm up 604. I got to figure out a way to take a snippet of the P&L when I'm in a trade and put it on the screen that I'm actually streaming from. You guys know how to do that?
What you mean?
Like, on my screen that I'm streaming, it's tops. It's Thinkorswim, but I'm taking trades on TraderVate, which I want to be able to, like, just put like a snippet of the P&L on the screen, because I'm really trading the code, and I want people to see why I'm taking the trade without like pulling up.
I think you might be able to just create another scene in OBS. Create another scene in OBS. Make the
a source.
Create a source.
Yeah.
Create another source,
Mm-hmm.
and then make the screen on that source really small, and then just put it as the overlay of what you're currently trading.
Yeah, and so take your screen, like the one that's where TraderVate is at.
Yeah.
And create that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then you got time to do it?
I'm on it right now. Yep.
Okay, so you've created that screen now.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So now
Go to
you want to crop. You want to crop that screen. Like if you highlight it.
Yeah. Okay, just crop that area so that's what shows, and then put that on top of.
And how you crop it is so say you got the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Now hold down
and
again you got a freaking MacBook on a, and it's gonna probably be this. You got an Alt key on your computer?
Yeah, a control.
Huh?
I got like a control. You mean to crop it? I know how to crop.
No, but you don't want to crop it. That's the thing.
Got you.
Because as you crop it, it's cropping the entire screen. You want to just crop the P&L side of it.
Okay.
So for me, I have to hold down the Alt key.
Right.
And then as I bring it in, it makes the sides of it, instead of red, it makes it blue. So when you normally just doing a crop, it's red. But when you just go, like when you removing part of the screen off of it, it's going to turn that little crop thing to red. I mean, to green.
Okay.
If that makes sense.
All right, hold on. Let me see. I'll work on it. It's control, I think, to crop. Nope. Option. So all I need is that right there, right? Boom. You're saying just go. Oh no, that's gonna crop the whole screen. He said.
Yeah, that's why I said you got to figure out the key on your keyboard to where it will remove that off of it.
Yeah, I got it.
Crop our screen smaller.
Yeah, I'm doing it now. I'm just going through some bullshit right here. So option. All right, I got it. Thank you.
Yep.
And we're gonna put that right here. So yeah, because we don't really need to see all this other shit on top stuff. Maybe in the middle. Yeah, let's do that. Thanks, guys. All right, I'll be right back. I gotta help the wife.
Yep.
Man, I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't take the Amazon trade, man. But happens, I guess that
But it didn't fall in your wheelhouse.
nah, it didn't. I mean, I should like I said, I should have just took it with smaller size rather than the size that I initially wanted it. Because it was just early, bro. It was 9:37 when the move initially happened. And that's a little too early for me. Like, I'm not trying to trade. Like I said, my best trades statistically come post 9:45, 10 o'clock. So it's just really hard when I know that I have an edge, post that time frame. It's really hard for me to take a trade pre that. But this would, I mean, the contracts went up 100% from when I would have got in.
Yeah, that's why I won't trade the PA account before 9:30 because I know that's when my full edge comes in.
Yeah.
I'll take trades in the other account, and now I won't if once this account's turned PA, because even if it don't PA today, I just got to trade MNQs for the next few days.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, I won't trade it before 9:30.
Yeah, you automatically have PA. Like, it's just it's gonna take a day or two if you don't get it today.
Yeah. Now it's just gonna be if they're not doing that pass in one day.
Mm-hmm.
Now I just need to just continue to take one trade every day with an MNQ. But I think they did until today. Today was gonna be the last day.
Yeah. I think that I don't know, man. I think that I'm probably not gonna get any setups in my favor. I don't like anything. I'm not gonna trade anything subpar, so I'm probably just gonna be waiting it out at this point now.
Ain't that right? Ain't that right? I'm good now. Thanks, guys. That was perfecto.
I am not trying to fuck around, and I'd rather have a flat day than a red day.
I'm pissed that I got rid of that damn PA account.
Yeah, but you're not red big, right?
Man, pay back some of what I lost the last 2 days, but it ain't nothing that I can't recover from.
Yeah. That's all that matters. Damn it. I was doing a flush that I thought it was gonna do, but I just, like I said, I don't like the way that it was moving.
Did the market recover all of that flush out?
No, bro, we back down to the lows.
Yeah.
That's why I took that trade. I figured that pop that got eaten up, that shit was to me, that was like, a trap. The pop that you guys got out at, or you did, I think LMD got out at from that consolidation. So then I took the next swing up. Thank God this setup where you just have to wait for a fucking supply line to come in before you kind of enter is way better than you trying to catch the fucking tops. Because I got into that and it was just like chopping around and I didn't give a fuck about none of that shit. But finally, when the move triggered, it was like, all right, cool. And they didn't really stop. They got a little close. Oh no, we're seeing.
Like I said, for me, using that $ tip, I gotta keep in mind if it's below DWAP, don't look for long, and that's what got me in the. And that's why I'm pissed at myself in the PA account being red because I went against that rule. Had I not went against that rule, I wouldn't have been red because I wouldn't have took that trade.
Yeah, it's a lot to kind of remember, though.
Not really, because all I gotta do is glance over at my 5-minute chart and I see that the price is below the gold line.
Just
That's
took
one rule to remember. That ain't a lot.
yeah, I just took a long to see how this thing looks on the chart. So when I'm streaming, all right, cool. It looks good. I'm gonna stop out real tight here because of shit. Basically playing this level again, 837. This is a 4-hour demand level. Probably should have waited till we cross back above this for the bull run to be in my favor, but we'll lose a couple points. Crazy. And we are out. This shit is clutch. This shit was cyan. Never take it when it's cyan, only when it's neutral. Okay, I can do that. Oh, look at that. Y'all stopped me and went. Take another shot. Is it neutral? Yeah, we're taking another shot. This time we're going in with 2. Fire drill. Swing lows our stop. Let's see if we're gonna get stopped out again. Yeah, this shit looks crazy heavy, cuzzo. Wow, Jesus Christ. What happens when you take the top? Oh yeah, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Get my goddamn $6 back. Oh, oh. Oh, nice trade. We move back above this line. We can make a move back up to supply. Unless that's gonna act as a resistance. So gotta be a little proactive there. Like it is acting as resistance too.
Oh, where the fuck's my phone?
There we go. Jazz, you was quiet all that time. You end up taking a trade?
Was that Jazz or was that Vega yawning?
It was me on.
Go ahead and hit me, bitch. Come on, dog. That was gay. That was gay. It just, oh, and another supply line. I'm just gonna cook this trade, guys, because that supply line can come in and fuck me up. You don't want a problem there. All right, it looks good on the Tradeovate stream. So on the OBS, so that's good. They slamming this market. Ooh, good exit. Let's see if we double bottom here, or if they're gonna go to target here at 30. Ooh, this shit is on again. Try it. Let's try it. Taking this pot. See how much cyan we can ride this out for, if we could even do it.
With the restroom of the RV.
Do we fall? Ooh, caught the fucking cyan move. Oh shit. Oh, get me out of there. Oh, good lord, move that one. Oh, give me another break. Give me another break. Oh, LMD. Fuck that tick chart. I got something here for your ass. And I'm out. Nice trade. I think I could have let this roll. We have a demand line coming in here. That was simple. Supply came in. We had to push away from it. Under this cyan condition, you can see for yourself that we get some fucking momentum. And this thing is still blowing. Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah, this shit got crushed, dude.
Bro, I just caught another crazy fucking trade. And I got in right before the fucking, like, the drop. I'll show you. Copy. I'm keeping this shit. Oh my God. Jesus Christmas. I need to be taking these to oh my God. Somebody stop this bitch. Yo, Vega. I know you've been hearing me, you know, repeat this shit like a Bible. Anytime the tick chart is below the 200, look for supply lines and this shit will just keep bleeding. So I added 100. I've been at this, but I added a 100 SMA and I altered it so like it tells me when the momentum might kick in. So whenever you see cyan candles, you know how I say cyan goes down, purple goes up. Look at that entry, bro. I got in right before they broke the lows of that previous swing, and dude, I saw no drawdown. That bitch went crazy, and I actually have that recorded. But damn, man, holding it for this, Jesus. That other demand line came in, so I got scared.
Just amazing opportunities across the board.
Damn, bro, what in the hell is going on? Big drip. Man, that little baby ass move. Look at this. Oh, the trend. You could ride it. You never know when these things pop up. It just pops up like 30, 40 points. Another supply line. They're going to slam this bitch again. This is wicked. I'm not taking this one, YouTube. I'm still holding out. Like, I like it when we're close as hell to this level here. Tend to see rejections at that level. So when you move far away from it, they do have a nice chance to retrace. We were in up here, bro. Good lord. Like LMD says, good lord. This is a bear flag. We're going down again now. I think we should see some relief here. This is a daily money zone. Appears a 4-hour money zone. This super trend told us to stay bearish and risk all of that. I couldn't risk all of that, but you know, right now this shit would be at break even. I want to see how much this pays out today because we've been tracking this for this whole week, and the bull run that it caught has been fucking insane. Yeah, we're going out a few days. So this was Monday, I think. Caught a massive bull run. I don't know if you see Tuesday anywhere here. It's Tuesday. This was 9:30. Yeah, so this is another open kind of caught this bull run here. And today this is just fucking sausage. Yeah, so that's a good relief bounce right there. I don't know if this thing V shapes. There you go. You see anything for a V shape?
No,
It's catching a
it's
bit.
still under previous day lows. I think you have to wait until it gets above previous day lows, realistically.
Okay. I don't have any defined 1 hour or 15-minute line, although this one is coming in. The last one that came in paid out, but let's see what this one does. There's no. The hell?
Why did I get out of this trade, man? Look at if you look at the dollar sign tick,
Yeah, the purple
when
pivot.
that hit 1042,
Mm-hmm.
I got in on the Top Step account.
Mm-hmm.
Killed it, man. Killed it.
Remember, you can't make too much on that account.
No, I'm up 797.
Copy.
I'm just talking about the trade I killed.
Yeah. Boy, you just need an alert whenever that tick chart goes off because you taking that shit religiously. Look at this shit right here. 2-minute purple candles on a tick chart. Calls the pivot. And kaboom. Nice move to the upside. Same thing just happened just now that you took. I saw that shit coming though. They hit the daily money zone. We about to reclaim all this shit. Reclaiming my time. Could be wrong, so don't bet the house. But right now, the market has pulled back, rejected. Oh, wow. Man, you can't tell me this market ain't playing these fucking levels.
That's so. I always say it needs to be near a price level and correlate on the on that dollar sign tick for me to take the trade.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna post both my so it's gonna have the regular chart and then the dollar sign tick. Actually, because I was trading the tick chart because the other chart kind of the 1 minute chart not breaking it down as much. But you should be able to see like the man, look at my entries and my exits on this bad boy. And all I'm gonna sniff is just the part of
Oh, ooh, you feel so good. All right, let's get back to the charts, guys. Girl, you know I'm gonna search you up. Oh shit.
there it goes. I just posted it.
Man, you don't be looking at no charts.
Huh?
So you don't be looking at no chart. Let me see. At the time, 11:15, you talking about?
Nah, so really, like you see where my entries was at?
Yeah, you shorted and then you went long.
Yeah, so I shorted it down to that level, and right when it hit that gray intraday level, it was hitting 1,000 on the negative side of the tick chart. So I got out of my long. I waited on it to come up and go back down, and I got long. Got the long, it pulled back. I should have took one more, but I didn't. And then that shit snapped right on up. Previous day's low, and I got out of the trade. Pull back, because that was my target. So literally just got out at my target. Pull back, that shit ripped again up to the next intraday level. and then flushed off of it, but it was at negative 400. So that's why I was saying once it, like, it'll trade between individual levels, and I just need to see it on my regular chart at an actual level.
Yeah, I agree with that psychology in totality. Like, you draw the level, and when the tick chart has a confluence with it, then you take the pivot. Yeah, I like it. Right now, this thing looks like we might make a higher low based on this kind of consolidation to the side. If we do another pop up, and on a 2-minute chart, if you're looking at this shit, man, we had a daily money zone, and it looks like this might be a stop hunt move. So whoever went long and they held, this shit right here should stop them out because it's breaking lower than the previous swing low. If we go and retest this and reject, we might continue lower. If we, kind of break through that, we might see the upward motion again. So we'll see something like this or something like that. Let's see what happens. There's only 2 ways you can go, Eddie. You know what? Let me take that off. Now you know. Yo, Jazz, you still in here or what? You on mute. Yeah, I think we should see some relief down here because we do have this thing all the way to standard deviation 3. These bears are going crazy today, though. Whew. I got that zone. Could have used this fucking pivot to catch that play. She's holding the 200 on the. Man, this should be tripping me out. MNQ actually holding the 200. NQ friggin' rejecting it. About to take a poll. You guys think we see? Look at the macro real quick. There should be a strong demand down here. I don't know why the market just went through this shit like butter. If we fucking break this 797 level, yo, what did I say today? Isn't that an airplane? And you told me it wasn't? Look at where we're at, bro. Holy shit. I think it's a joke. Level's real. If we break this level, man, I don't. We're going back down to fucking. I mean, maybe we catch some support at 740. Put an alert there. Jeez, what a bleed off. 3 days worth of work gone. Yeah, I'm okay. You up. Oh, by the way, on that daily picture, these motherfuckers rejected the 50 HMA. As soon as they touched that shit, we caught the wick. And I think that's really the pre-market. Yeah, that's the 8 o'clock, the 8:30 candle. CP is out.
They fighting to not give up that 100 SMA on the 200 tick chart. If that goes, the market goes. There it goes.
And that's on MNQ. On NQ, that bitch was already below. It was rejecting it. Total opposite.
Yeah. I'm short at 797.
Hey.
I stopped to break even.
Took
Oh,
that-
I just got stopped out. Why? How the hell? Nah, see, something is wrong. That's bull crap.
What's wrong, Cap?
It just stopped me out. Or it got me out of the trade.
The stop was there?
Nah, I don't know what happened.
I don't know what you're talking about, Willis. Yeah, elaborate. Use your words. Oh, shit. That was a good stop. Things just pop, pop, pop.
It looks like he's trying to make a move back up to negative 400 on the, maybe not.
Oh, this market's about to bleed, cuzzo. So remember we were talking yesterday about like the breadth indicators and telling us if it's a trend day or not.
Uh-huh.
There goes your VOLQD, your ADQD. Clearly bearish as fuck. We're below 80 million on the VOLQD, and we breached 1500, and now we're at negative 2000. They said if it stays down here, we're extreme bearish territories. So if we look at the tick chart, where have we been living all day?
Yeah, below it.
All conditions are true. So shorts were easy, as long as you were patient enough to see when they started, dumping the market. The thing that tells you when they're going to dump is that VOLQD. That shit has big candles. That motherfucker dead. They ain't take the foot off their ass. So they gave him a quick break at around 1022, 1024. The ad was going up from 1018 all the way up to like 1046, and then they turned on the bots again. So 1024 to 1018 to like 46, and then boom, the bots turned on again. Come on. And that was when the dollar sign tick was peaking above. It was kind of stuck between negative 500 and positive 500. And then they turned the shit on again. That's crazy.
I'm about to risk. I'm risking $100 to see if we don't go back down and see the lows.
We going down, cuzzo. I'm about to go against you right now.
Yeah, I mean, bro, we're rejecting previous day lows on NQ, dude.
You mean we going up?
No, we're rejecting it. I mean, every time we get to it, we've been rejecting it.
I'm gonna wait for these purple candles on my chart to kind of die down. Let them do a little up move. Line their ass up. That's all LMD needs, though. He get a 10-point pop. He locking that bitch in.
Now I got my target at 16,914.
Yeah, see that pop? I ain't trying to be a part of that. All we gotta do is
Yeah, but
wait.
look how it's getting rejected again. That's previous day lows. That's
Yeah,
consistently holding it down.
yeah, I agree. I agree on that. But I took an entry with my stop just at the low, risking it. I'm willing to risk that to see if we can get an all day move back up.
That's 797 level.
Hopefully, you know, I don't know if it will happen, but
This plane ain't taking off, bro.
One of those worth the risk. Let me see where
LMD thinks he's in Vegas. You in Vegas, brother?
Worth the risk, balls.
This motherfucker's in Vegas.
I only need to see 814 for it to be a 1R trade.
All right. So LMD, while you're in that trade, I got my Behringer mixing board, my mixer. I got it plugged into my, what is this, Sharp? I got like a Sharp or whatever the fuck this mic is. I'm gonna play with it and see if I can get this mic on. But honestly, man, the quality of the audio that's been coming out has been really good, so I don't need anything.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. You good, but it don't hurt to work on a backup or work on something that could be better.
Just to see what it is. Work to complete. Removal of lower front shingles and install of metal flash and installation roof drip edge. Deposit to start $750, cost $1,500. Remaining balance complete $750. This contract is only for work listed. All okay, cool. All aluminum trim around the windows, caulking. Left side of roof and gutter, restructuring and seal. Install aluminum cap. Let me show my wife.
damn, that big move kind of getting Gringo right back down.
Yeah, but like I said, looking at the dollar sign tickets to be expected because we just came up to zero.
Yeah, that's gonna be all she wrote, I think. They shouldn't have rejected that like that because that's an engulfing candle followed by another engulfing candle, in my opinion. We'll see.
Now it needs to catch support. We had negative 400, so it would need to catch support right here and go back up again. Otherwise, it's headed all the way back down to 700, which is going to give back everything it just made. I should have got out of 2 of these. Yeah, that's a new 5-minute candle. Yeah, that's going to be nasty. If the bulls don't find strength to get that ugly candle ate up. Oh, I'm going to stop out. Yep, stop that. I'm done in that account for today. I'm gonna take one more play down here at the bottom.
You would not believe I'm in an Apple short with 3 contracts, very small size, and I'm up almost $100 on those contracts short. I'm actually gonna sell my last one. Oh my god, that is actually so fucking nuts. I took the short at 11:24, and I just covered everything into previous day lows right there. Wow, and that was only 3 contracts, and I made almost $100 on 3 contracts. That is crazy. But still a very, very small day. I mean, close to $100 for me, bro. That's very small. Yet again, I missed my opportunity of that Amazon trade, which would have, I mean, that was 100%er. Oh, and look at my get out, bro. That was a perfect exit. Look at my exit on Apple. That was clean. All right, I think I can live with a almost $100 fucking green day. I can live with that. Now I'm not as sad as I was earlier for missing it. But yet again, man, just wasn't price action I like to see. It did give me a chance at VWAP, bro, but I thought it was gonna get over VWAP, fail it, and then continue. But it just stopped under VWAP. I should have just got in there, but it is what it is.
LMD, how that turn out?
What's that?
That trade, they popped up for you, no?
Yeah, I made like nice little gain on it.
Yeah, I see another supply came in. That's when I was supposed to execute, but fuck it. Still execute now. Ooh, they about to flush. Turn on the gas, man.
Yeah, Apple trying real hard to hold that previous day lows.
I'm looking for a snap right here, but it's very volatile. Where is this volatility coming from?
Damn, that shit would have worked. This shit is crazy. Nice bounce. We'll retest this level here, 777. 777 is the plane.
Green liner.
Mm-hmm. That was the one that Wesley Snipes had problems with in Passenger 57. I think so. Oh, this bitch is dead in the water. Duck, duck, goose, motherfucker. Oh man, this is terrible. They're taking back 3 days worth of work. No. Oh, I could have caught that shit. Lovely. Cyan drop. Cyan drop. This shit is literally telling you when they're about to hit the fucking button, bro. You could literally put your fucking stop above the first cyan drop candle. And you don't have to take the swing highs almost. Yeah, I think so. Because if you're trying to take a momentum and you ain't trying to get chopped up, that's what happened here. This would have, yeah, maybe you want to keep it a little bit away from it. Because if they take you out and then that fucking shit runs 60 points, you're going to be sick. Biggie, you said you took some options? Did Vega get into a trade LMD?
Even though
This fucking, yo, this super trend is sick, bro. Fucking
what
mad.
the
What?
hell? Somehow I was in a trade that didn't have a stop or nothing in it, and it just took all 700 I made and down 372 and blew that account. I don't know if it blew that account, but it's out of the freaking trade.
Yeah, they stopped you then.
Yeah. What the hell was that? I don't know if I must have had, that's crazy. It must have had an order that I had sitting there.
That looks like a good bounce right there. I think that's a good bounce. That's like a stop hunt move right there.
Oh, no, we back above zero.
Yeah, I think the Bulls might have had enough with that bounce, guys. So we're above the 200 on the tick chart. This level right here is all you need to defend. They get below that, fuck it, smoke it. Let's take it. Put our money where our mouth is. I'm going long. Bingo, I'm in. Which is this level now? 785. 785. I'm in. We stopping out at 785. And what we want to see is nothing but purple on this trend line here. That moving average. 780.
That sucks because I put in so much work on this thing today. I got up to go freaking hoop up some hats. I come back over and I look and I'm like, why the hell is my damn balance negative? That sucks. That.
Defense.
That's why I shouldn't be out here trading anyway. And that's why I'm not trading Apex while I'm out here working because I ain't paying attention. That's bullshit.
Oh, baby. Give it to me, bitch.
You hate to see.
Do we move this to break even or not? Oh, baby. Oh, snap. We about to hit 3R. If we hit 3R, I'm moving my shit to break even. Moving into break even. She's snapping. Come on with it. I think we got one. I think we might have a runner. We just gotta survive the bullshit. Oh, she gone.
Man, you look at where the tick chart went to. That bad boy went all the way down.
Come on, survive, buddy. Survive, buddy. Oh no, not that kind of drop. All right, let me go ahead and take that up off you, player. All right, we back to 3R. Come on, risk it. Risk it to get the biscuit. Oh, they're gonna stop me out. Oh, wow, good pop-up. Oh no, this shit whipping. That's too much volatility for me. I'm out of there. You gotta risk it, cuz of. Let's do it. Let's do it. Give me one more pullback. Now that I want my fucking pullback, you're not gonna give it? Just like that, Playboy? That was a bitch ass move just now, Joe. That was a punk faggot move. Oh, we got a man line down here. I'm taking that. Thank you. We went in with 2 this time. What's the stop? Right here, right? Yeah, that's the stop. Go ahead and go take your money.
Well, all right, I'm back.
Oh, they gonna
Damn. I love my exits on Apple, bro. That shit just fucking. It's a surge.
And they got another, I don't know what the hell. I just blew up that damn Top Step account, man. What the heck? They got another order that just popped up, but it ain't gonna accept it.
they're gonna stop me out.
I wonder when I hit my keyboard over on when I'm working, if I'm somehow putting orders in the system. Oh, that sucks. I was up $700.
Yeah, they say they stopped me out because I think that stopped me out. Nope, still in it, still in it, still in it, still in it. You're not trying to give it.
LMD, don't be having those user errors on your PAs.
Nah, that's why I don't trade. I don't trade the Apex out here in my shop. I only trade them in the house because that's all I do on that computer. Trade. I don't know if I had a hotkey or something that I ended up being in an order that I didn't know I was in. And then I looked at my PA and it was negative $300. And I'm like, what the frick? Because I know I was up 700. I took that one trade, I lost $100, and I said, okay, I'm gonna be done when I lose that 100. And then I come back and I look, and now my PA is, my is freaking negative. So I don't know if they hit me for the day, because they automatically got me out of the trade.
I'm liking this level. I'm liking this level. I want that 200 to work. We gotta see.
Yeah, they're getting that $1,000 for the day.
Yeah, they're gonna stop everybody. Yeah, this shit dead in the water.
Yeah, this is nasty. Price action.
Come on, man. You gonna go up or down? Which way you going? I'm trying to catch your ass. This shit is Cyan. It's Cyan right now. This bitch is gonna die.
Man, what are those Amazon contracts trading at? Because when I was looking at them, they were 130. Let's see where they're at now.
Be right back. I gotta go drop shirts off.
I think I'm looking at, bro, those contracts at 130 are now trading at 425 on Amazon.
So yeah.
Wow. That is nuts. That's like, what is that, like 200, 300%? Like 300%.
Oh my God, I'm back in shorts. Should have snagged that real quick and then got back in again, but let's see.
400%. Let me hear it, stop it.
I do think this is a dangerous game I'm playing right here.
Are you trying to go long?
No, I'm in some shorts because I had like the Cyan condition below the 200. So, but now it went neutral on this pullback. So I just need them to re-engage or I'm gonna get stopped out. But we'll see. I hope this wasn't like a higher low, because then I was right on the shorts, on the longs. I ended up snapping on those longs, bro. Crazy entry, good setup, good play, but held it for too long. You said there's a Fed speaker speaking right now, so that's where all this volatility.
Oh, we have bonds at 1, the 30-year.
Okay.
So don't be in a trade at 1.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew that this fucking demand is about to go crazy. Well, you got supply right here. If they get through that, just kill the trade. 790. So look at that LMD. I just went and took a couple long stabs, and the max I think I lost was like $100. They clapped me on his down move, just constantly letting them take their money. Now I'm back up. I was up 30, but we'll see what happens. That shit was what you call it, top step. That'd be $1,000. I mean NQ. I'm talking about. What am I saying? What the fuck you talking about? Yeah, we just got to clear this level here. They re-engage Cyan. We lit. They don't get the fuck out of the way. Ooh, that was nice. Nice service.
Going through my emails, I see today is the last day for that Apex special, so I just did beat. Actually, I need to log into Rhythmic and see. I'm over. I think I'm.
A higher low. There has to be a divergence I'm missing. This is, yep, there it goes. Bingo. Making higher lows on this. Oh, we made a lower low on this chart. So definitely got a divergence here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little profit if I can get it and re-engage.
Over $500, so I should be over. My commission shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, there's a buyer down there. Be fine with us. Go ahead and take this exit.
What you up on today, Spark?
On the day, I'm up 3 and change in the Top Step account. And I think I was up like 500 in the what you call it, cash.
Okay, yes. Cash balance is 106,425. So that one's qualified. Officially good now. That's probably about 150 plus.
Maybe I don't need all that shit, right? Like, well, yeah. I'm good, sir. Thanks. Go long when this shit was coming down. And it said go long again. So let's see if it comes down up here. Yeah, she is snapping. Come on, how you gonna miss me by like a tick? That means you're gonna go up some more. So I'm gonna move it. Fucker. Looks like we're about to do another bull run. Yup, that divergence about to kick ass, cuz I'm out of here. Fuck this. Do you see purple on that tick? Yeah, purple on the tick. Let's do it. Literally right back to that supply area that we got some supply up there, but we'll see what happens. Did our jobs trying to get in at the money zone. See if that was a fake out move or if we can survive this BS. There it goes. Still purple. Fucking Cyan. This is crazy. That was crazy. This supply line is gonna kick our ass. We don't break through it.
Today gonna be a ribeye day, dog.
Back into purple. That was a good bounce. We getting these shits. Rinse and repeat, bro. If we break through this supply right here, we could see a rejection from where we rejected before, but that's where we're trying to take it to at least. I want to take one off the table as soon as we hit the 80s, yeah? Bitch ass motherfucker rejected before it got there. Stay strong. There we go. Oh man, come on. Almost stop to the pivot here now. Should be this pivot, right? Yeah, should be right below that. Come on, baby, hit me. Just hit me. Just hit me. I'm trying to get out in this zone right here. I'm not fighting for pennies. I just want to get hit. I just want to get hit. Go. Hello? Hey, brother. It's all good. I got it now. And thank you for putting that together. I got a well, yeah, so I talked to my wife. I think I told you I was just going to talk to my wife, and we'll let you know by the end of the day if we're going to move forward. Yeah, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right hand. Mm-hmm. Yeah. We if we're looking at the front of the house, we took so the left side of the house. Yeah, but like if I'm standing at the front of the house, the right hand side of that house, okay, got you. Right, right. Mm-hmm. Right. Mhm. Okay. Got you. All right. Yeah, I appreciate that. So I think I know what you're talking about. I also always thought that like maybe the neighbor's friggin' house was kind of causing a lot of it. So got you. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Right, right. All right, thanks, man. Yeah, I'm not around, but I could be around if you need me. But yeah, for the most part, yeah, let's definitely go with that. If you can send me another invoice with that information in there, so we know exactly what we're looking at, then I got you. All right. Yes, sir. No, it was perfect. I know exactly what you're gonna do. It was perfect. All right, boss. Right. All right, guys. We took this purple candle condition to the upside. I was in short that I just knew wasn't going to work out based off of this demand that came in, and they just kept kind of hovering around it. I thought this might have been a reject, but once we broke above it, flip sides, got in a little late. Got in somewhere around here on this pullback breakup. Dealt with this pullback, this purple kind of moving average. It's the 100 EMA that saved us, and we had this nice little bull run to the upside. I do not think that this is over. I do think that we're probably going to start a bull run to get away from the yellow 200 moving average. You just need to kind of let price give you a reason to enter. So for me, that would be like a demand zone that comes up. But you can see we're doing a head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder kind of move right here. So wasn't bad. So this is why we wait for a friggin' demand line to come in, because this shit just slammed at this level. You're gonna see it in a second. This thing is super late, but it did bring demand. So I don't know if you want to take a look at this. Still didn't show. Price is at 800. Look at this. It's like, wow, fucking so slow, man. Anyways, maybe that's a good thing. Prevent us from FOMOing. Like demand is coming in there. Price already pushed the way up to 810. Yep. Catching a dip. Let's see if we get another bull run from this demand. Macro level or more bigger time frame. Yeah, we got purple to green. Oh, supply coming in on a 2 minute, right where we wanted them to break out of. Come on, Playboy, you stopping this bull run? All right. Probably gonna call it. It's 12 o'clock now, 12:18. Just see something really quickly. Something. I maybe risk this low, but oh Jesus, they went to the 200. Slapping shit. It's that 2 minute supply that came in that pretty much caused this drop. Some divergence up there. Like we still have that divergence on the dollar sign tick. So yeah, this momentum is not cool, but we'll see if we make a lower low. Listen. Here we go again. Bought that shit up down there, boy. Wow. Wow. Woo-wee. Liquidity in this market, this shit's slapping. Wouldn't be a bad entry, risking swing lows right here. Risking this demand line. Made a kind of a double bottom or a higher low kind of move there. Q4. What's that? 91. Take it. Put it in. Oops, we're out. Yeah, the Bears are back. The motherfuckers are slapping shit. Oh my god. Yeesh. Look at that. Bounce right back up, you fucking bastards. And that was a good entry down there, man. Let's try it again. Purple right here is kind of neutral pullback.
Thank you.
I got reason to believe otherwise. Oh boy, here we go. They slapped the shit out that up move just now. Come on, Bulls. Defense, defense, defense. Another supply on a tick chart. Damn, you out here fucking typing, you missing shit. So we got supply on the tick chart, supply on the 2-minute, and we currently got a 5-minute supply above us, but I really consider that a demand, and all of this right here could be a stop hunt move. So anyone trying to get calls, they just playing with us down here. We can get a good snap if we can get above this 200, man. Oh, this is MNQ. See, that's the shit that fucks me up. Oh boy. Nah, we buying another one right here because I'll bring it down a little bit more. To the stop. This is the demand, though. You want to see them pretty much bounce right off of that, which they did, but get through this. Yeah, this looks dead in the water, cuz. So you want to add to this? Yeah, fuck it, why not? We in. Stop below the previous swing low. Let go. Let's stop. There's a low. The low is 751. I could take that hit. 7. Cyan telling us we about to get a fucking push down, though. This is crazy. Good little pivot situation. Yo, LMD, you here?
I think we're pivoting as well, but I don't know. I don't really care. But yeah, looks like we're not breaking down lows anymore.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing, man. But every time we make that high, the move to like 814 or around there, around that level, there's a seller slapping the shit out of us. I thought this could be another bull run right here. Look, we're back to that level, 800. 800. So 800 is key right now, huh?
Nice flat area.
Yeah, I added again down there at around like 7, 8.
Looks like we can get a good pivot, but
yeah,
it's hard to tell right now. Like, I don't know if we're getting pressure enough anymore to keep on fading or not.
sounds like you're running out of juice, bro.
I mean, I don't trade this time anyways.
Oh, gotcha.
So I honestly just could care less, to be honest. I don't think there's really any plays. I mean, you can play for, recovery. I think if you're doing that, you have to play it to, hypothetically speaking, if we're going to recover, I think we recover somewhere into 16,876, 16,885.
Yeah, that's I got my 855 as my first exit if we make this move up. So I'm down here with the bulls, and we're at standard deviation like 3, bro. Like if they want to go to 4, fucking go to 4, but I'm not leaving until you break that low, 753. I should have at 755 actually. So they even want to go that low. I don't want no problems.
Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be out of here because there's nothing left in this market here for me. I missed my Amazon up, but I did take advantage of a late kind of fade in Apple, which made me close to $100 on only 3 contracts. So
Nice.
happy about that. So I'm out of here, man. Stay safe.
All right, man. Oh, it looks like the group's gone. Jazz is on mute. LMD is on mute. We're out to lunch. Yeah, I hear you now.
Oh, yeah, I'm in my car. So that went in the house.
Cool.
For the day myself, man.
Yeah, I'm in the demo right now.
Tomorrow.
I'm in the demo right now, just fucking around trying to. Like if I was scalping this shit, man, the way you've been scalping, these cyan drops and purple pops are fucking fire. Here we go. Can we get a purple run or is this shit gonna stay neutral? We got green on the 2-minute, so that's good. We went from cyan to green. That's an indication of a trend. So this is just pullback and the trend to start. Let's see if it starts. They got me on the landing pad, bro. On a runway. I need you to clear the runway so I could take off. Oof, that was a mean drop. Back to cyan. I agree with consolidating here. There's a slight upward slope, but it is far from enthusiastic. I think in another 15 minutes it will make a big move. Keep in mind. We have a 30-year treasury auction in 45 minutes, which could be a good sign for us to go up. Where's my stop? Did they test my stop, my original stop? No. So why move it? If they break that, bro, you don't want to be a part of this move. So this is basically a head and shoulder play. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop up to 60 something. It's be fucking retarded to let them go all the way down to the head of this head and shoulder move. So this gives us this risk. Maybe 840 to 879 is the exit. Right now, I'm thinking we go long to the viewer watching. Long, I'm in a long. I get hammered, but I'm betting that on a 2 minute, if we can clear this supply line, which stop this whole price action to the upside, then we get another move up. But that thing right there really slams. So if we break this low, I'm out of this trade. I'm trying to go pretty much reclaim this level here. So 824. This shit looks like we're about to pick it up. It looks heavy right now, man. Yeah, this is gonna cause another slip again. God damn it. Tick chart said we about to go down. Yeah, let me do this thing while this stuff is happening. So resume, canvas, right? That's what we did. Safari. Here goes the up move. Doesn't mean we should get out yet, but might have been in the ignition.
I still think that this is headed back higher.
Yep. I'm in with you.
That's like 100-point move back up.
Oh, come on. This thing is fucking stupid. As soon as we touch this 808 level, that's where we're going to see some fucking smoke again. So be careful there. Huh? How do you call? There we go, 808 up next. Yeah, we broke that downward trend line on the tip. Good push away. Let's see if we stay there. Here goes 808, guys. Should be able to either break through this or we're going to get a major rejection from the previous highs. The next one to take out is 818. Go, we broke 808. Another supply coming in on a tick. Do we bail? Do we bail? Order filled. I'm moving my stop to break even. You see, is it gonna? Yeah, that's enough to move it to break even. I'm moving it to break even. Let's go. Wow. We broke through everything we needed to. Go take your money. 837 is the next line of resistance here. So create another alert up there.
That's that, man. I was right on the trade, just the wrong freaking leg.
Yeah, that's why you got to go light so you can keep going. I kept swinging at that bitch, bro. I caught the first pop, got nicked on the second one. I think, yeah, I got nicked on the second attempt, and then I doubled down on this third one. Oh, come on, just hit me at 840. That fucking divergence paid out. Heat don't fail me now. 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 It's too much smoke right there. That was the fucking supply. This trend line. If this thing breaks, they'll flip the trend. So all the shorts that were in this morning, they're gonna get squeezed out if we break that, right? And we might see a surge, maybe. I don't know. But this tends to be where the rejection is the most heaviest because if you took shorts here and this line is your stop, then you fuel the squeeze if they break it. But that's good R&R if they kick back in, you know, if that makes any sense for anyone. I could show you it, but I'm in the middle of this one. Basically something like this. If they break this level, it causes everyone to get out on the shorts here. Mega squeeze. But this is also a level to defend, so you get the nice little rejection or a bounce until you get another squeeze. So right now, that's what we're playing for. But let's look at the smaller time frame for evidence that we may or may not do that. All right, so this tick chart is saying that you got to watch this 2 minute. Yeah, we broke this level. All right, cool. This tick chart is saying that we broke above. We have a supply line. We got above it. Any entries here, this should be your stop. So we'll see if we can do it. But that motherfucker gone. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's cook with some oil.
Hello?
Yeah. Hit me. Oh no, just hit me. Get me out of one risk. Take your money. Trail is out. About to get out. I'm out of there, guys. I ain't got it. I boogied. I boogied. I didn't want to play around with that 835 level or 837. Like I said, it's a major rejection area. If anybody wants to get into shorts, that's where they're going to get in. Support to back that up is this 15-minute money zone. And if they break through this, like I said, it's going to squeeze right through to that like 1 hour money zone. That's your next potential target. But about 2 hours though. Too much over analysis. I didn't really have a reason. Oh, here it comes. Kaboom, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Let's see if it's squeeze or a fake out. Is it a squeeze or a fake out? Autobots, assemble. Man, that would have hit target. Fucking target. Yeah, that would have hit target.
Still in this trade?
No, sir. It's about to go crazy, though. They just broke the fucking super trend to the upside. Oh,
I'm pissed because I had the right idea.
come on, playboy. Come on, playboy. Fuck with me, you know I got it.
Take no more trades in my PA account, and I can't take no trades in the doggone other account, so I just get to watch this. It's past 11:30 anyway, so. But I noticed that during my recaps the last 2 days,
Push out.
11:30, that bad boy be moved.
Man, the market move all day, every day, cuz you gotta be positioned in the right section.
Saying the after 11:30, the last couple of days is when it's found its traction.
Yeah, sir. Yes, Bob. blowing these motherfuckers out the water with this edge right here, cuz another banger. Damn, man, I wanted that fucking 840 move and I couldn't hold for that next. Did you see? This shit is like consistent, bro. Anytime we start moving away from that 200, you could, I mean, obviously you're gonna get fucked up and blaze and chop, but I mean, if you can catch one of these, bro, that shit pays out. And once it starts to go, the next supply that becomes demand, you could take that shit with a tight stop below the pivot, and then that shit starts to go. And that's where I should have put my stop instead of running out of there. You a punk faggot.
Man, you on YouTube, they gonna boot you up, partner.
Oh, my bad. All right, this shit ain't for kids.
You got certain trigger words.
Oh.
That's why you don't see nobody use the R word no more. You don't see, you know, I even saw a dude, instead of saying killed, he just put A.
Yeah.
Certain words that they don't let you say anymore.
Keep going. Oh shit, man. Bro, look at this right here. When we got up there and this shit started hesitating, I snatched my money like that bitch was. Let me get that off up off you, partner.
And
He snatched that dollar so quick. Here comes another demand line, guys. Just kind of let it settle. Might be able to take that. You know, I don't know what you would risk, but by the time this thing settles, it's probably gonna have another leg up. Oh, Addie's calling. Hello, hello.
I don't like you ignoring me like that.
What did you? I asked if
No,
you
I-
called me.
No, I mean,
I asked you if you called me, babe.
well, I didn't call you when you asked me. But anyway, real quick, you saw my
All right, guys. Looks like that was what caused some of that pivot. It had to be supported by some sort of volume. So this VOLQD, if you haven't ever used this, this is showing you like the pressure of the market, the volume that's increasing to whichever direction. So when it's in confluence with the chart, you get a pretty, with the advanced decline, you get a pretty good move to the downside. So we had that move this morning, right around the same level. So the market started dumping right there. We had a nice dump. We found a base somewhere around 1018, had to move to the upside. Once these things got in alliance again, we had to move to the downside again. Looks like the market's still pumping to the upside right now with volume coming in and this coming in. Once those two are in confluence, I think you have a good shot going along with them. Just picking your spots, obviously, so you can survive any pullbacks. And then if we go over here, this was the third thing that kind of agreed with it, but that engulfing candle was the ignition. I spotted this divergence here, which gave me confidence that the move was going to come. Now, I could have been wrong, but it allows me to take this up. It allows me to, add on this one. I got stopped out of one of these, but it allowed me to add on one of these. And then we ended up making the move, which is currently about to go take off highs. So as long as this thing stays above 0 and starts to print, we should see the continuation or the follow through. But we do have supply up there, right? So don't take this entry. This is, like a breakout trade can come all the way back down before they go back up. So if you want to take it, I don't really care. But I wouldn't touch it a bit. I will touch a pullback in a heartbeat if I believe that I have all this information, right? And that's just that, guys. With that being said, thank you for all of my, followers here today. It was actually a really exciting trading day, I think. All right, so yeah, thanks, guys. I'm not sure where's a good place to put this. Let's get to the main chart. And why would up there, top right, not be a good place to put it? What is this? It's dead. God, this thing is just ridiculous. So it's my MacBook screen, by the way. And then this is me, which we have to like zoom out on. We'll keep it like that. right, finally got a little something going on. So we keep it real simple. You know, we got the video right here. Let's get to that screen, see what's going on with the market again. So let's go dial it in. There's your 5-minute chart. They did flip the 5-minute, so that's a good thing. The 2-minute is booming. It is booming. Okay, we had this pivot, great recess to go. It's in that green zone up there. Oh, this thing is booming, baby. This thing, man, you gotta go for the juggler when you're playing them too. Because once it starts trending, Like, look at the trend. Comes back down, gets a bid, go. Comes back down, gets a bid, go. So, you know, we'll see if they clear this zone. I'll just set an alert. But all day today, we had some really good alerts. Played some in the demo, played some in the cash account. So we're just gonna go ahead and chill for the rest of the day. If they get back below this level, then I'll be concerned. So I'll just put an alert there. I'd rather just move this one up, right? Like, we got some decent alerts there. And this is starting to move up. So whoever took risk down here, their stop was probably at the flip of that, somewhere down here. And now they're in the money. And you can just kind of relax, right? Anywho, good luck if you continue to trade. We had a good day taking shorts in this condition. We had a good day looking at this possible area for a pivot. And right now it's all to the races. It's like nothing stopping this thing. So really, really good.